Drag the words by the correct picture. Match the pairs of opposites. Opposite words: boy, girl, young, old, short, tall, laugh, cry. Opposite words: boy. Read the poem aloud.
We are girls and boys, we are big and small, we are young and old, we are short and tall, we are everything that we can be, and still we are a family. We laugh and cry, we work and play, we help each other every day. The world's a lovely place to be, because we are a family.
Underline the pronouns and the verb to be in the present simple in your textbook.